Doesn't this
Try that one.
I got hit my dad's of the state 3. Great face. So
Alright, there it is. Let's do the naming.
he's like, yeah, whatever.
Naming by
He's a one.
Name was the cat eye first. Wait, didn't you already do this?
Wait, name the cat
No,
out.
you did this already.
No.
You told us this.
We're
So
talking
on
about.
the last one, it was right the cat eye first or
Oh.
Name, right?
Come on, I forgot the D in compounds. So it's not just compounds. Cat eye. 2 eyes.
This is where we get oxide, nitrite, kramer.
Awesome eye.
Are you enjoying your sandwich?
It is yummy to my tummy. Satisfying to my saliva.
Well, and then I was gonna get like a humongous bag, and then I think my mom would always
What's your mom got
I
me?
don't know. I'm like, you don't need that big of a bag.
Yeah, do you want diabetes? Yes.
And then I was like, oh, my mom was like, went to get something else, and so I was in the aisle alone, and there's just other guys here, and I was like, I'm gonna look like an idiot.
Oh,
if
come
I grab
on.
this bag.
Well,
I
you
didn't
should
grab
make
it.
sure I would have.
So you're telling me I got less stuff because you felt self-conscious?
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. I'm very thankful.
Kramer, why did you say that? I wrote down name of diabetes. I wrote down number diabetes.
It was like literally like a 2-pound bag, but with sandwich kids. I was like, oh my goodness.
To tell you the type of sweet tooth I have, I've gotten a lot better at it, but I can eat that whole 2 pounds in one day.
I'm very strange.
I probably could, but I don't. Basketball
I don't like chocolate.
I had I went to Bebop's the other day and I ate half the sandwich. That's how much I ate. I was like, what is going on?
I hate to stop.
No, it's my birthday present.
Put one on finger. You're just sitting there.
I'll give you one. Give you one only because of the food you
You
do.
need to give everybody one.
And you can have one if you want too.
Huh?
You want one?
Told you if you just ask. Oh, there's one really sour. Why is it super sour?
Ooh.
My favorite color is blue.
Okay.
You said sour patch kids. They're not
You guys got this now?
The ones with the sweetie bars were like.
Hey guys, I just want to let you know. Remember how I kept saying like each day is quite easy, and then just slowly build. And
Yeah.
today is another easy day.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. So here's how this works. It says, so for example, let's say I've got the ionic compound that. That's my ionic compound. Sure. It says naming. So Friday, what we did is we took the name and we wrote the formula. Today we're taking the formula and writing the name. But we're staying in the ionic realm because you'll find that doing covalent is different. Okay, that's where it starts to build, and then when I start throwing ionic and covalent at you intermingled, then you gotta like think about, oh, do I write this ionically or do I write this covalently? Okay, so it says name the cation first, and remember when we were writing formulas, it said write the cation first, so shouldn't the first one always be the cation?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's name it.
Calcium.
Wow, that was hard. Hope you have your those common elements.
Note cards.
Gucci.
What? Have the note cards.
Okay. And then it says name the anion last, but change the ending of the last one
To
to IDE. So instead of calcium chlorine, it's calcium chloride.
Science. Have you science today?
Is that it today? Oh!
Well, not quite.
Oi.
There's one difficult thing that
We
we don't.
don't write the number, do we?
No. You want to know why we don't have to write the number?
Because that is part of the thing.
Because listen, when we so we just went from formula to name. Now let's go back from name to formula using what we did on Friday.
Oh.
Symbol, oxidation number, symbol, oxidation number, what?
So that makes
Crisscross down,
Crisscross
you get
applesauce.
CaCl2, and that should be the same as that. Now when we do covalent, it's different, but we'll stick with the ionic for now. Okay?
Give us.
What happens when we have those pesky transition elements?
I don't know.
It's rhetorical. Because I would expect you to not know at this point.
What? More than one.
Oh no! Wouldn't it be far?
I don't know.
That's the stock thing.
What's one supposed to be?
Oxidation number.
Or so you just took oxidation?
I was about to say something really mean.
Say it.
Do it.
I don't care. My feelings are very rarely
That, really? You broke it down while we're playing paddleball.
Yeah, very rarely.
Broke down to the light.
Would have been really funny, but it would have been really mean.
Oh.
Even though there's no truth to it.
Say it anyway. Oh my gosh, your birthday. We're teenagers.
It was kind of like that.
We're teenagers. We can handle it. Teenagers.
Yeah, if it was Shane, I probably would have said it.
Do it.
Okay. So he said, why did you just write oxidation number? And I'm gonna say, why aren't you just attractive?
I don't see how it's funny.
It's not. That's why I didn't say it. It's never funny when you beg me to say it. It's only funny when you say it right at that moment.
Yeah.
Yes, that's,
Like,
Fix your
I
face.
think their face is so funny.
Yeah.
yeah.
Because everything else, yeah, well,
He was like, come on, man, fix your face. Well, fix your face.
Here's the thing. I can't fix it. It's stuck like this.
Want a bet?
I'm not getting plastic surgery. I'm not getting
I've
plastic
got
surgery.
a bat in the back room.
Well,
Oh!
you got a back room. That won't help.
Yeah, I will.
No, it's gonna get very purple and red.
well, I don't feel
And invite that.
It will fix it.
Where's the back room? Because my nose
My
is
chemical
in.
chemical.
Oh, like Voldemort. Can we take a field trip and see this?
No, because there's chloroform in there.
Oh, we won't touch anything.
Mhm.
What do you want to do, Ethan? Go see.
Hey, does it smell like chloroform to you?
Hey, smell this. What? This show actually takes a long time to cast out from chloroform.
What?
Like in the movies, they actually do
Well, that would unstuff you.
We're sitting there like this for 20 minutes. Fall asleep. Make me.
It might singe off your nose hair as well. But
If you ever need to trim your nose hair,
just
Stick a razor up there.
no. Are you guys done yet?
Yes.
Gnarly node. Canody gnarly.
I can't write when I'm laughing. Sorry.
I don't know what's so funny.
I got a bad
Shane, are you still right?
Yes.
See, I'm not the
Fix
only
your
one.
hand too.
Fix your hand.
Huh. Why'd you just fix your whole
Whoa, that's too far.
That would be hard. And expensive. The $10 million man. To measure. I spent $20,000 on plastic surgery.
Hey, spend $20,000 on focusing.
Cat. That's a lot of money on just focusing. That's a lot.
Just focus. Okay, so it says if the metal has more than one oxidation number, and what guys are going to have more than one oxidation number?
Them pesky transition metals.
Those transition metals. Why would the transition metals have multiple oxidation numbers?
Because they could be like used for different.
Because they have multiple.
Valence like I get it.
Okay. Okay. Then it says Roman numerals are needed after a transition metal that has multiple oxidation numbers, and the reason for that is why. Do you remember?
Because we don't know how many.
Yeah, like if I just put copper chloride, is it
That was
that?
That's an S. Sorry.
Or is it
Close side.
that? Well, is it that? Drinks on you. That is drinks on you. Okay. So the point here is when you have a transition metal, which can have multiple oxidation numbers, you need to be able to identify for the guy who's going to need to write it. Carly, is that funny?
Copper close side.
I was talking all of church because of some stupid thing. Yeah, she was like,
I gotta drink wine.
it's like when things are funny or when you are supposed to be quiet.
Take a communion.
Okay, so this, how would we name those two?
You would put the
Copper
parentheses.
chloride.
Yeah, okay, so we would put parentheses in both of them, but what would we put in the
Roman
parentheses?
numeral.
What Roman numeral?
3 and 2.
Which one's the 2, which one's the 3?
Top one is 2, the bottom
Copper
one
close
is 3.
side is 2.
How about this?
Uh-oh.
It was two.
Oxide.
Okay, what would I put there?
Two.
Hey, impressive. Simulate. I thought that I would get every one of you on this one.
So,
Why is it 2, Sydney?
Because the oxygen is 2 minus, and they have to cancel each other out, so that one has to be 2 plus.
This is 2 minus, so this has to be 2 plus. Normally, you can just look here, uncrisscross it to find the oxidation number, but can you do it here?
no.
Because
Yeah.
Because there's a reducing aspect that you have to remember. Okay? So, if they're the same, or sorry, if they're different numbers, it's simple. Uncrisscross the one, you're good. If they're the same, then you have to think about whether or not it was reduced. Okay? Because there is a situation where it might not need to be reduced, like CuCl. That's just 1 in that context. Because chlorine is -1 always.
This one might copper.
Okay. Questions, anybody? Let's do some problems.
Oh boy.
Okay, so you do have to think a little bit here. And here's why you have to think a little bit. Because do you write Roman numerals for everything? No, only when it has a what?
Transition
So
metal.
you got to pay attention to whether or not it has a transition metal in it.
Right on.
Wait, what if
So I know I haven't done a ton, we haven't done a ton of examples, but I want you guys to write all these down and then try to name them, and then we will go through them and figure out any mistakes that we made. That's a bummer. Oh, got it.
Halo.
No.
XTWONG.
XTWONG. I thought there was a Z in there too.
Yep, at the end.
Oh,
It's
that's-
not long.
That spells X-twongs.
Yeah, that's a funny word.
Is it I?
That is an I. Yep.
KCI. Or wait, it's
KCCI.
Wait,
There's two C's.
Later.
Oh, are you talking about which I? Which one are you talking about? This is chlorine.
Yeah, the light.
That's iodine.
What's the test?
Which one?
If it would have been
Which one?
KFI,
B?
Oh,
beryllium.
There's no B up there.
B.
B. E is beryllium.
The bees?
Oh, as in B.
Yeah.
Be yourself. Name
No.
that movie.
Watch Elf.
Name that movie.
Elf.
Be yourself.
The Bee movie, of course. Oh my gosh, I don't.
My favorite Disney movie of all time.
What is it? Wait, the Bee movie? He says 24/7.
Maybe too old for you.
What it is?
Just tell me.
Aladdin.
Oh my gosh, my favorite. Too old for this.
Remember when,
Robin Williams.
right? The genie
Dead.
is a bee and he flies up there.
Be yourself.
Yeah. Yes. I didn't quite do it as good as you did. But. Guys, you hurry up.
Wait,
I
I
want
have number 5. Number 5 kind of sounds like pink for different items.
Pink, boy, P just sounds nothing like Z.
What is? It's ink. Whatever.
Okay, fine.
You've been doing it wrong.
Beryllium! Did you guys not have to memorize that one?
Yes, we did.
I don't know.
What was the?
I just didn't know
Did
how
you write
to
the charges, Derek? Carly, do you need to borrow my note cards again?
Spell it,
yeah.
can you pronounce it?
Yeah.
What if we
Is it iodine or iodine?
My eyes and brain are not connected.
Is it iodine?
Hey, we have 8 minutes.
No! Love this class. I do too. Oh no. Oh wait. That one's
At
wrong
the copper mine.
What's F?
Oh boy, I need to give you guys this pop element quiz again.
Tomorrow? Could you tell us though? Not make it a pop one?
Hey, let's put everything away and take this quiz right now.
Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, stupid.
At the copper mine. At the copper mine.
CU is copper. I'm so stupid. Okay. So I just
I spoke for it. Yeah.
Wait, okay. So
Yeah, I
Look to
totally
the right.
bombed that spelling.
look to the right. All the names on it.
BRYLLIUM.
Yep, definitely.
Wait. VR is bromine, right?
What?
I put the Y after the
Well,
L.
there's not 2 R's.
Yeah, I put 2 R's, I put the Y after the
Bromine.
L.
VR is
Like
bromine.
really yum.
Yum! Really yummy! Very yummy!
It's very good.
So how do
You
you
all done, Derek?
Think so.
Okay.
And I believe I must have known
Wait.
Is there 2
I or
L's?
just CL?
CL.
Okay. I was like, what?
These are binary, which means it has to only have 2.
Oh,
And if it was carbon and iodine, that would be 3, guys. That's 3.
What about trine?
I don't think guys.
Ternary.
E? Where's V?
Oh, we
It's
have
in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, well.
Yes, I'm stroking it.
What? Okay. Yeah.
It's really depressing that we're missing our potluck.
What
We're gonna have to change.
So in geometry, in 8 hours, tomorrow, we're gonna like bring in food and just eat food. But we're leaving at 2:30 for our games.
We lost that privilege.
Yeah, we have.
What does that have to do with education?
What?
Well, he said like we have a bunch of days to review, and we don't need to review all those days.
Why does he just teach new stuff?
Because
That's for
it
next
doesn't work like
semester.
that.
That's what I'm doing.
Well,
Yeah, I know,
that's
but
because
this is
you're you.
different. Like, because in math, like, I don't know.
You can't review and come back? Like teach 4 days and then come back and review in 1 day? Doesn't that save you 2 days?
Yeah, but math you have to go over a lot of stuff because you forget stuff easily.
We have to.
And he's going in science?
No, not in science.
Dear algebra,
Okay.
ask me.
Can I begin or are we still working?
Now we're still really left and I don't know.
How close are you, Everett?
How close is close?
Very.
You have
Because I would like to give you your final review.
After the.
Oh,
Okay, yes, just go. Just start saying it.
Please. Wait, you have the study guide for the final?
Oh, yeah.
final stuff is stressing me out.
I know, I actually put stress on it, and I see how you know, just writing it down. When I was talking about.
All right, let's start with Mr. Shane over there. Can you name the first one? Everyone be quiet. Except for Shane.
Calcium iodide.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I did it. Yay.
I realize you might butcher the spelling a little bit,
Okay.
but you'll get familiar with how to write these as we progress. Stevon, next one.
Magnesium oxide.
Oh.
We need capital F.
You don't have. I should have capitalized I.
Oh, you don't need capitalism?
No.
Everett, my man. Number 3.
Aluminum fluoride. It's just high five. This is like trying to do the perfect high five, Steven. It doesn't work. It's like shaking my hand.
I always spell fluoride wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's OU.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I did fluoride. Fluoride.
Are you sure?
That was
Yes.
Fluoride.
Oh my gosh, you're the same.
Sorry. Yep, I was right.
No, it's UO.
Oh, sorry.
I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure it's UO.
Oh my gosh, you're insane.
Yeah, it does not spell flower.
Fluoride. Fluoride.
Derek, next one.
Beryllium sulfide.
Oh, yes, I definitely.
It's not us going my food. It sounded like you said we're
You get the hard one.
Got this.
Zinc. And then numeral 3.
Oh, she did it! Don't butcher the ending here. Fluoride.
But spelled flower.
Flower. Well, what am I doing? Sid.
Copper.
Did it.
Parenthesis. Roman numeral 1.
Oh, I forgot to
Parenthesis.
Oh, I didn't put the
So
wrong arrow.
What?
Let's do the S. Stupid Cooper. Mr. Hand.
Mr. Ethan.
Yeah.
Help me out, young lad.
I think I may have gotten it. Oh wait, now I think I have gotten this. Iron, parenthesis, Roman numeral II, bromine.
Oh!
Bromine. Throw crap in my ear.
Hey, are we coming across things that we're butchering these, or are we doing all right?
We're
I
doing
don't
all right.
know.
Okay, Rose, clean us up.
I'm putting my foot upside.
Potassium chloride.
Banana chloride.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Don't give us. Praise the Lord, all glorious time. Here's a giant sugar cube.
Okay, I'll get your worksheet first. Got some stuff in your eye. I watched there.
You're like,
Hey, we don't let hoodlums in this school.
what? Well, then get out, Mr. Crick. I'm a
Whoa!
Take a run.
What'd you say?
Way to go, Everett. That was awesome.
What'd
Fix
you
my
say?
face.
Fix my face.
All right, there's that. And then here is your study guide.
Beautiful. This is it? This is it?
What
was that?
Now, you're going to want to listen very carefully to the next minute of my talking.
Okay.
Gotcha.
If you do what is expected of you when filling this study guide out, please listen, you will get 5 points of extra credit. But you must do exactly what I want you to do. So here's what you do. Anything that says terms, define it. That's easy. Anything that says no, put something down next to it that will help you remember it. Let me give you an example. It says know what makes up an atom. You could write protons, electrons, and neutrons. You could make a chart that says protons are positive, electrons are negative, and neutrons are neutral. And that, what else? Well, where they're found, nucleus, not nucleus. Okay? Well, I guess that's what the second bullet says. And then the third bullet says charge. But you can make a chart that answers all 3 of those. Does that make sense?
Can we do it on
Okay.
paper?
Yeah, well, you can either do it on this paper, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper. I don't care. Okay, just, here's what I do not want. I don't want you to just fill out the terms and leave the no part blank. You will not get partial credit. You will get no credit. Okay? If you're unsure about what to put, come find me. I'll help you out.
Do that all. What does it do?
Let's go eat some food.
No, I would just maybe, I would do
Hey, Matt, is the study guide due tomorrow?
No, it's due right before your final.
Alright.
I'm so excited. This final's gonna make it easy.
What the heck?